In a small home kitchen, a trusty toaster oven becomes a creative coach, turning scraps into meals. First dish uses stale bread, olive oil, and herbs to craft a sizzling crouton-crusted flatbread for a cozy bite. Second creation repurposes vegetable peels into a savory broth, simmered in the toaster oven with a whisper of garlic and thyme. Third dish transforms coffee grounds into a smoky crumble, topping for roasted mushrooms that brightens the plate and the mood. Finally, leftovers and waste become compost that nourishes future meals, closing the tiny kitchen loop.